Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Name the first man to walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong is the first man to walk on the moon. Which is the smallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the smallest mountain in the world. Name the national heritage animal of India. Name the national heritage animal of India. Elephant. Elephant. Name the smallest continent. Name the smallest continent. Australia. Australia. Name the longest river on the earth. Name the longest river on the earth. Nile. Answer Nile. Who went to space first in India? Who went to space first in India? Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma. Who is the first female Indian astronaut? Who is the first female Indian astronaut? Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla. Which is the oldest river in India? Narmada. Answer Narmada. Who is the first president of India? Who is the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Smallest state of India is? Smallest state of India is? Goa. Answer Goa. Highest dam of India is? Highest dam of India is? Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam. Name the three planets in our solar system. Name the three planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus and Earth. Mercury, Venus and Earth. India lies in which continent? India lies in which continent? Asia. Asia. Answer Asia. What is the national anthem of India? What is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. Name the national reptile of India. Name the national reptile of India. King Cobra. King Cobra. Name a natural satellite of Earth. Name a natural satellite of Earth. Moon. Answer Moon. Name the country known as the land of rising sun. Japan. Japan country. What is the largest desert in the world? The Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert. Who invented computer? Who invented computer? Answer Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage invented computer. Who is known as the father of our Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Gateway of India is located at? Gateway of India is located at? Mumbai. Answer Mumbai. What is the largest planet in our solar system? What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Answer Jupiter. Capital of Uttarakhand is? Capital of Uttarakhand is? Dehradun. Answer Dehradun. तो फ्रेंड्स आज ये तो आउरी एमती वीडियो पाइबा चाहते आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँ बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दिंतु। रोची धन्यवाद।